fog is an issue this morning. We're also tracking roller coaster ride for our temperatures. So the high today will near 80 degrees, but a cold front moves through. We get down to 66 degrees there on Wednesday, 67 on Thursday. We bump those temperatures up into the upper 70s by Friday. So the weekend, if you have holiday plans, well, it's not going to feel quite like the holidays. We'll see warmer temperatures by then. What we are dealing with right now, though, is a warm front has moved through South Texas and across the coastal bend of Texas and through Houston and into East Texas. You can see the moisture increasing out ahead of that front and along that frontal boundary. So essentially what we've got going on is that Gulf moisture has moved into Texas and it's going to continue to move up to the northeast, but that cold front is on the way. So a couple of 1-2 punches are going on right now, but what you really notice is this green is where I expect cloud coverage to continue through the morning and even into the afternoon. I'm not expecting our stratus clouds to break too easily, but there is a chance they break a bit. But what this warm front is going to do is kind of pack a 1-2 punch for the Dixie Alley region through Mississippi and even portions of Louisiana, but especially Mississippi. There is a moderate risk of severe weather here as the warm front continues to lift north. Then the cold front moves through behind or into that warm, moist air, and that's going to cause very dangerous conditions with that severe weather and tornado risk across, again, the Dixie Alley area late this afternoon and into the evening. Cold front for us, not as impactful, but we are going to notice a foggy start ahead of the front, then showers possible along the front. Likely not going to see too much in the way of thunderstorms. Windy conditions behind the front. We're talking gusts 40 miles per hour and a 15-degree temperature difference. So 80 degrees your high this afternoon. Again, we may see the clouds break, but we've got a lot of mid-level moisture. So I still think we'll see some clouds and even some sea fog, especially along our coast. As we head into the evening, we really see fog developing across the coastal bend. That cold front moves through, pushes the fog out, but we keep some stratus clouds and we will see a chance for a few showers. Winds really picking up out of the north. We will start Wednesday by 8:30 with temperatures falling from the mid-60s into the 50s. I think we'll get back to around 65 degrees by Wednesday afternoon, but it looks like we stay pretty cloudy behind that front. The winds still gusting Wednesday afternoon, staying sustained around 15 to 20 miles per hour. We increase our moisture again as we head into Wednesday evening, and Thursday looks like we'll continue to see some scattered showers in the area. I want to point out the winds as the front moves through. We pick those wind gusts up to around 35 miles per hour. A few gusts may reach 40 miles per hour. I expect strongest winds off our coastline. So with that being said, we are going to have a gale watch in place. That's Wednesday 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Likely a gale warning will be issued later on today. That cold front is going to move through the area anywhere between 3 a.m. and 9 a.m. on Wednesday morning. So that's when you can expect, once the front passes through, our winds are really going to pick up. But for now, ahead of the front, we're still gloomy. We're still foggy. This is the view of North Beach this morning. So keep in mind, looking toward Portland, you can see that visibility dropping. So you may want to take it slow if you're traveling between Portland and Corpus Christi. 71 degrees is your temperature now. We'll stay in the 70s through the morning, dealing with some of that fog. A few breaks possible this afternoon with temperatures reaching 80 degrees, but I want to point out sea fog likely to continue this afternoon and into the evening, then moving back on shore as we head into the overnight hours, and then that cold front moves through and we will clear the fog out. But we are hoping for maybe a little bit of rain, maybe a beautiful rainbow. This is all you're going to see is the fabulous artwork here by Reese Travis, 7 years old. Great job. This is her self-portrait. 76 degrees at recess. Not too much in the way of rain today, but we are going to see a chance for a few showers on Thursday, overnight tonight. We even see a few showers possible over the weekend, but again, that's going to be very spotty. Mostly we're tracking warmer temperatures, partly cloudy skies, highs back in the 80s by the weekend. Barbie, John Thomas.